Everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Huey. Today's video is going to be a super exciting one for you guys because it's going to be about a huge Estee Lauder haul because Macy's and also Nordstrom is having a 15% off cosmetics for their friends and family sale. So, well, actually Macy's is having their friends and family sale. Nordstrom just likes to price match things. So, with that being said, I stocked up on a lot of Estee Lauder products, and I know that you guys always count on me to give you guys the scoop of Estee Lauder products. So you guys, let's get started. I'm pretty sure you guys want to see what I got. So, everything that I got came in this little box right here. Well, actually, I put it in the box just to organize it a little bit, but I do have like other things out here too. So let me just show you, what I got. Alright, so a couple weeks ago I got this really awesome deal, you guys, that only happened I think during the weekend, and it was like sold out everywhere. So basically, if you bought the 1.7 Advanced Night Repair, you get the Advanced Night Repair Eye Concentrate Matrix for free. So I decided to do that even though I don't need any more Advanced Night Repair. So I got it, but I got the breast cancer limited edition one. So it comes in a pink box like this, and you guys, the bottle is pink. Let me show you guys. Okay, so it comes with like a keychain right here, which is absolutely cool. And you guys, look at this bottle right here. Oh my goodness, look how cute this pink is. It matches my lipstick. Oh my goodness, I did not match this, you guys. I just picked a random lipstick from my Estee Lauder lipstick collection, and I just wore it. So, oh my goodness, it matches it. Okay, if you were wondering what lipstick I'm wearing, it is called Power Grab by Estee Lauder. Power Grab. It's very powerful, it's very potent, and it's very sexy. I absolutely love it. Alright, and then of course you guys know the Eye Concentrate Matrix right here. I have a video on this product. I will link it down below for you guys. Basically, it is a magic wand that you massage around your eye area, and then it works miracles. Like, it depuffs the eyes right here, and it really does like get rid of dark circles. It's absolutely amazing. I did get a free one when they first released it, and I used it all up already, so I have a backup now, which is absolutely awesome. Alright, you guys, and then I also bought the Estee Lauder Re-Nutriv Softening Lotion right here. I've used this in the past before. I really love it. It has like gold in it, so it helps, soothe the skin from any irritation, and also it brightens the skin, it balances the skin, it adds back into the moisture. So luxurious, you guys. Absolutely love this lotion right here. Alright. So, let's just dive in. Okay, so I got the brand new Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Complex right here. And this is the eye cream. You guys, this eye cream is absolutely amazing. I've been using a sample of it for about a week now, and I am in love. I can definitely see a difference already. The thing about this eye cream is that it helps reverse the damage of blue light. And if you guys don't know what blue light is, it's basically like, light that's emitted from your phone, electronic devices, iPads, computers. You look at them all day, right? Like, I know, like, I look at mine all day, and that actually damages the skin around the eye area. So this eye cream right here, the new Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Complex right here, helps reverse that damage, and it also has, the Advanced Night Repair benefits. It's going to get rid of dark circles, it's going to smooth out your wrinkles, it's going to really hydrate the eye area, and it's absolutely amazing. I absolutely really love this eye cream, so I cannot wait to really fully use that with my other skincare. Alright, and then I also got the Estee Lauder NightWear Plus Antioxidant Night Detox Cream right here. I don't know why, but for some reason I felt compelled to buy this cream. I know it's been out for a while now, but I just wanted something to detox the skin. Like, I just want something to just really, like, just make me pure again because I am so tainted. Anyways, so this is the cream right here. So I cannot wait to, well, actually I've used it before, you guys. Like, I have a sample of it, but I just never really bought the full size, and so now I have the full size, and I cannot wait to detox myself at nighttime. And it smells like cucumber melon, so it's definitely a huge plus right there. Okay. And I also bought the Estee Lauder Re-Nutriv Ultimate Lift Regenerating Youth Cream. Now you guys know that I use the Ultimate Lift, Ultimate Lift, what's it called? Like, oh my goodness. Alright, the Re-Nutriv Ultimate Lift something. Oh my god, I forgot the name of it. Okay, so I use that, but this one right here is a newer version, and this is the Regenerating Youth Cream, and the other one has like a name. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry you guys, like, I'm having a brain fart right now. But I, you know, just wanted the full size of this. I've used the sample before and I actually really like it. And I just really wanted the full size. Actually, I kind of wanted the gel formula. But after feeling it on my hand, I'm like, you know what? If I just use half of the amount of this right here, like, the cream will last longer. So that's kind of like my thinking right there. And plus it's winter time right now. I'm gonna need the thickness of a cream anyway, so I decided to get the cream formula. Alright, and so that is kind of it for kind of like product that is like not really brand new, but we have two brand new products right here, you guys. So I already did a review on this. I will also link it down below for you guys. Now this is the Estee Lauder Perfectionist Pro Instant Resurfacing Peel, 9.9% AHA plus BHA. It's an absolutely amazing mask slash peel, you guys. At first I thought this was a serum. It's not a serum. It's absolutely awesome. You know, it just really like gives you like, you know, that radiance back to your skin. It gives you baby soft skin, and it's very, very gentle, you guys. Usually like peels like this are very harsh on the skin, which I love, but this one, anyone can use it. Like, it's great for the sensitive of sensitive skin, and it also helps boost your serum, so your serum can penetrate deeper into the skin, so that's absolutely amazing. And also, I do believe that this may be the first retinol product that Estee Lauder has came out with. So this is the Estee Lauder Perfectionist Pro Rapid Renewal Retinol Treatment right here. And basically retinol is, you know, to help with like lines and wrinkles, and also like, you know, age spot, sunspot, acne marks, and everything of that nature. But it also makes your skin a little bit more sensitive because it is very, very potent and very powerful. So I do highly recommend you wear a sunscreen, even though I am kind of allergic to sunscreen, so I cannot wear a sunscreen. So if I wear this, you know, I think I will be okay because I did wear this out today and my skin was just fine. I don't know, my skin is just built as like a warrior. I have thick skin, you guys, so I really don't need a sunscreen, but I do highly recommend you guys using a sunscreen because it really does make the skin that much more sensitive, alright? So I cannot wait to do a review on this, but I did use it one time today and I really, really do like it. It's a really nice product. It really makes my face very, very smooth. That's definitely for sure. Okay, so basically that is it, and I got like, you know, samples because like, you know, I bought like a lot of stuff. So I got like, you know, the Re-Nutriv Intensive Soothing Hand Cream sample, and then I also got more Re-Nutriv samples right here. Oh my goodness, right here. Okay, so the cream that I use is the Ultimate Lift Age Correcting, and the one that I got is Regenerating Youth. Okay, so age correcting, you know, like you kind of did damage to your skin and you are, you know, fixing it. And regenerating youth, basically you're trying to get your youth back. So, you know, self-explanatory. So I got travel sizes of the face cream and eye cream of both collection. You guys, absolutely amazing. And you guys know that I love my Re-Nutriv. Like, that's just like my baby right there. Like, you know, nothing beats Re-Nutriv for me. Like, I love Re-Nutriv like everything, you guys. Absolutely awesome. And then also there's the Re-Nutriv Ultimate Lift Rejuvenating Oil right here. I do believe that this may be being discontinued because I don't see it on the website anymore, which is a shame because, you know, I kind of want it and now I can't really find it anymore. So we have that, you guys. Alright, you guys, so basically that is it. That is my, you know, Estee Lauder haul right there. And it fit in this beautiful red box right here. It's a holiday, you guys. Treat yourself. You know, it's a great time to stock up on skincare because stores right now really do give you a lot of cash back and also a lot of discounts. So I really highly recommend you stocking up during the holiday because that's when you save a lot of money, because you know Estee Lauder, you know, it's not that cheap. You know, Estee Lauder is like pretty much you know, you are investing your skin in Estee Lauder. Alright, you guys, so pretty much that is it. Thank you so much, you guys, for always being here and also being supportive of me showing you guys Estee Lauder stuff. I absolutely really love it. And I also am thankful for each and every one of you for always, you know, telling me to, you know, do more skincare videos. I know that I work a lot and I get really, really tired, but seeing your comments really does lift up my spirit and, you know, to give you more skincare videos. Alright, you guys, so thank you so much, and until next time, bye!